So how do you keep growth, or how do you maintain a good growth during winter time? Number one, you buy good quality feed. Number two, you get good quality chicks. Number three, you provide enough ventilation. Number four, you provide enough heat for your chickens. So you make sure that the temperature in your brooding time or in your brooding period is on point. It's 32 degrees. Don't compromise. The minimum should be 32 degrees. Don't compromise on that one. That's how you're gonna have a good cycle during winter time. Number five, you brood until day 21. You don't brood for 14 days. You brood until day 21. For me, I brood for day 14 even during winter time, because I know that I'm gonna hit the average weight on time. Those are the factors that matters for you during winter time. The rest of the things are still the same. And then remember, when you provide ventilation, you don't open your sides in the morning. You open them during the day. Let's say around 12. That's when you now open your side to allow ventilation. And you close your side early. You close them around 4. That's when you close your side. You don't close them late at night. You provide enough ventilation by doing those. You open your side around 12, then you close your side around 4 to allow ventilation to happen. Because one of the mistakes that happened for me in this winter cycle was that I did not provide enough ventilation, because I was always away. I could not open my, because I would leave home early in the morning. So I could not open my side in the morning. And I'll always come back late. So all those times I could not allow ventilation to happen in my house. That's why we had the problems that we had. It was my fault there, but I will polish on that. Next time I'll do better. Some of the reason why I don't hide what's happening on in my farm. That's why I always show, even when I'm having a high mortality rate. I always show, because some people won't show you those things. They will just tell you, no, you can raise chicken 100%, no mortality, and don't do it. They're lying to you. There's no way. If you reach 100 if you reach 100% zero mortality, you are lucky, but chicken will die, chief. 5% of, that's why there's a standard rate of mortality, 5%. This thing is of saying, I can teach you how to raise chicken with a zero mortality rate. They're just lying to you. Now I'm telling you the truth. So guys, those are the factors that matters for you to have a successful cycle during winter time. Good quality feed. You can buy high protein feed if you want, but as long as it's good quality feed, you are fine. Good quality chicks. Get chicks from suppliers that people recommend for you. Don't just say, I got these chicks from Bras Mamang, they're good. No. Have somebody who have bought chicks from Bras Mamang. We're not saying don't buy from small hatcheries, but at least they must be in a good quality. Number 3, provide enough heat. There are many ways of providing heat. You can use your firewood, you can use your infrared light, you can use your gas brooder. There are a lot of things that you can use to provide heat for your chickens. There's so many. So try all those things. Give your chickens respect to actually calm them down, because even when they're feeling cold, they have stress. So to calm them down, you give them stress pack oftenly. So you can give them stress pack every day if you want. Stress pack doesn't require you to give them from day 1 to day mama. You can even apply stress pack the whole cycle. You will be fine. So those are the factors that you actually matters when coming to winter cycle. For me, I've done my mistakes this time and I lost so many chickens, and I learned from those mistakes. But it was because of I'm busy a lot of things in my life currently. So they were out of my hands. So that's what I wanted to say today.